After one day, nothing happens. The second day, he didn't do anything. And the third day, sabi niya, I saw him doing all the chores. Palakpakan is 1 minute standing ovation. Tapos yung Pilipino naman na nag-report, sabi niya, after last year's meeting, sayang. I told my lazy husband, Pedro, but he will do everything in our house. I don't have to do anything. Sabi niya, palakpakan, 2 minutes na ovation. Wala na siyang gagawin, yung asawa na. Sabi niya, first day, nothing happens. The second day, nothing happens. The third day, sabi niya, I can see a little bit on my left eye.
Sarado pala.
Sarado binugbog ni Pedro.
Bugbog pala kaya walang makita.
Matapang si Pedro. Ngayon yung maligo. Ngayon Paul sila.
Ayaw.
Malilitin na. Bangko ulit.